alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is true false. Today we will do true false of annual term exam altogether. Let's see today's topic from here. Students, our today's topic is true false altogether of annual term exam. And this is lecture number 11 and SW number is 11 number also. So dear students, let's begin the class. Students, you can see here is total 1 to 10 filling the blanks, and today we will solve this, and this is also our RW class. We have already done this topic and this is our RW class. One number here is we must take bath every day. Students, if here is this statement is true, then we will write here T, that means true, and if the statement is false, then we will write here S, that means false. One number, we must take bath every day. Yes, this statement is true. Then we will write here T, that means true. Two number, we should keep our room dirty. No, this statement is not true. We should keep our room clean and tidy. Then we will write here false. This statement is false. Three number, day is bright. Yes, day is bright and night is dark. That means three number is also true. Four number, there are 5 seasons in Bangladesh. No, this statement is also false. There are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. Now here we will write false. 5 number, in winter season we feel cold. Yes, in winter season we feel cold. This statement is true. 6 number, we wear raincoat in rainy season. Yes, we wear raincoat in rainy season. This is also true. Then we will write here true. 7 number, we make pottery from plastic. Yeah, this statement is not true. We make pottery from clay. Then we will write here false. 8 number, a tailor plants flowers. No, this statement is also false. Then we will write here false. 9 number, an artist paint with brush. Yes, this statement is true. Then we will write here true. 10 number, this is the last one. Our carpenter makes chairs and tables from wood. This statement is true. Then we will write here true. Now students, this is our HW time. Our today's HW is 11 number HW, and your HW will be true false from 1 to 5. Here is total 5 true false, and your HW will be 1 to 5. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned HW in your HW copy. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.